College Univibro Season 4 kajing betip nam tai khubor lait kam kepala Office of the District Legal Service Authority West Khas Hill District Nongstoin dikilat kemba khasan teli e pos nuru kapion Office Assistant DO terter tiang nyepet untai kejinan kam ke de berkane de ko boko am apply sale nokloi kalajan katarik wan nam tagane ka work interview ka de direct interview nam tagini pos pat kideru ki contractual ma purely on contractual advertisement for work interview. Applications are hereby invited from interested candidates who are eligible and who are citizens of India who appear for work interview in the following contractual post. Kan mau kada contractual post kini teki wakwa on apply in the face of the District Legal Service Authority West Kasil District Nongstoin under the Legal Age Defense Council System LADC scheme. The post is purely contractual in nature for a period of 1 year, extendable on satisfactory. Kinsa extend biang kada sisnem kinsa extend. Te kane ka post beningkong kadai ka Deputy Chief Legal Age Council don lai tali post sabho jar ka tulop tenam ta kane nganam da batai than nomor ka qualification jo kane kadai kibal ahe ha practical criminal law for at least 7 years, excellent understanding of criminal law te ka kane ngam don kam than ka job profile conducting trial appeal te kadai tang ki post ki wahe temnon kam matai ekane menonkan matai ngan matai ka baaru menonkan matai kade Assistant Legal Age Defense Council ndrutali post live sanajar kanero practice criminal law for at least from 0 to 3 years tekine de bitangi bala practice criminal law tang menonkan matai ngan pe be kibron kam lang ya baro kane office assistant collect don tali post katulop de khatsan hajar sibanai te ka qualification dim de graduation kan mawa graduation kibla dep graduation kilap apply the basic word processing skill and ability to operate computer and skill to feed data, good typing speed tekin sadon ro ka typing skill namanya typing test te kibahap nang hi ka typing speed with proper setting of petition, ability to take dictation and prepare file for presentation nang rupan snap presentation in the code, file maintenance and processing knowledge. Teksyo may tang graduation but nang gini klemong ba nang in computer application te kibom don computer certificate ro ladap hinang gini good typing speed good gini te phila apply ladap himnang te one apply nama kanam mantoy te kege jinon kam nagane keeping updated record of legal data ki kam ki bade ban terima gini ladap ai uploading ki data pok website, maintaining complete file, typing application, doing ministerial work ter kini di kam ke bade bantre jongu office assistant te kajaka namta kane kan mawa ka venue ka district and session court Nongstoin hapo district court Nongstoin pihak lek man submit ikine ka application form ka tarik ke phratrik jong manai agos registration kasdang nuk khandai baji adu khadoi baji kan mau ke ba apply namta ka office assistant clerk te pihak apply ling ba ka application form pihak ban thit na po ki Xerox shop dukan Xerox borok ki don by application platform pia pendap yang tu along with self document along with self attested document 2 passport size photograph self address and a demand draft of rupees 150 kan mau pia lek siu shoya kan ka demand draft kolong shis pasan phoring ka pia lek siu ling ba ka bang pia kli po bang ngadon kami ka demand draft pia siu ya kata sakali nang tu ban pendap pia pendap only drawn in favor of District Legal Service Authority Nongstoin being application fees hapsiu shoya kane ka demand draft tesa ara lang bada application jong pi tesa lech hapo district and session judge court hapo Nongstoin tesa submit nang tu mau kan de pratarik hi te pihak pendep no lasai nyo tarik te pratarik pihak lain lech submit kita baro la pimdon kan ka demand draft hinum yo ban apply kan tagini post dan ka receptionist com operator receptionist com dan data entry operator typist kan tanggawi post kan ka sanajar kan register graduation tapi siap nang ka excellent verbal and written communication skill word and data processing abilities ability work telecommunication system telephone fax machine switchboard proficiency with good typing speed kamun ba ha computer pidi nang ben wala da phim dan ya ka certificate ru ma pidi nang badai kindel da pinang ginen mar kan don ro ka typing speed test ki hap test ya typing speed jong pi ru kan no tapi siap nang te kam ki badai ban tre hang ne la mention hang ne di ban nang ban scanning photocopying faxing maintaining waiting area collecting and routing mail answering face to face kum tata ter ki kam ki bade ban tre jong receptionist tengah trai hinang hi gine te ka jakar ka de hapo district and session court Nongstoin hi phratri agosi khandai ro khadwai ka ju hi kapor Te pihak pendap lembaga standard form ki dokumen seborok ke badan kam rengkat baka demand draft ke bolong his pak san voting ka pihak beli siu syabang te ladap siu sai ra sa submit sya po district and session good kepada praterik mau praterik nam takane kadi ke interview kam ka demand draft film la banyo the office pion don lai tali ki pus kan mau ke bako apply nam takane office pion pass class 10 matric or pass or equivalent from any recognized institution ka trop lesh phoja pass class 10 mau lai tali pus pass class 10 te kinero ki kam ki batre jong pion telas tu general work of MTS munshi pion cleansing office ensuring that all places in the office are kept clean bringing and serving water carrying dark maize work other tatari kam pion atri haptre bi kam ka difa te ka jakar ko de district and session good nong ston hi kadai khandai tarik phablek hapo khandai tarik wi thik amde ki wi singi ha kane ka singi bal abu hi khandai tarik kapor kadai wi kapor registration kadai khandai do khadwei te phap pandap hi kata application form in standard form hap thit hi bun kin sakali te thit hi na po ki dukan zero kali ong ai ka standard form pandap te sa bu iki document sing jong pi sil tribe ki marksheet ki gibron kam hapo ka tak application form then phap le siu shuai kane ka his pa san phone ka hapo bang kanon ka bang phap le kali ang akwa ban siu ya kane ka demand draft kali kum tam ta phap kali i batip na hap le siu nang no te ka form kin sa ai han hapo bang hi kata ka demand draft phap siu his pa san phone ka that the ladap siu kata bisa le hapo district and session George Court haka tarik ka balabo ada fiklem siu ya kane ka his pa san pho phinom yo wan late register elde na nam ta kane ka interview kan ma bhag ba ko apply nam ta gini post phap pendep bej phap siu kata ka demand draft ko long his pa san pho tingka marway. The engagement of proposed is purely contractual katul ada batai bagi debit contractual kan mau nam ta ka post office bar receptionist com data kan dan baik ka typing speed test practical mau kadai ka work interview pila interview cha ka tuasngi te ki ba qualify ken haban don sa ka typing speed test dan adapt typing speed test ken sa eligible namba ka interview mar ha ka tuasngi ken pila chuang tu ken page choi ki kot jong phi ka nongot ki ba biang dala biang untuk ki qualify ken ken bu tarik nam ta ka typing speed test dan ki ba biang ka typing speed test ken sa poi ha ka interview kumpion ye baro ta direct interview bain the registration la dabu kapor te phia biang ka tu mdere ban lech hakino no kitarik labu praterik dem lech praterik labu khandai dem lech khandai mdere ban lech la kan no kapor ki bala tre have produce NOC certificate candidate should bring their original document kan mau ma karega work interview phia bra original document ki jong phi certificate ada degree ra degree certificate birth certificate ro habra sil tribe submit ta ka class 10 certificate marksheet ro submit na habra lo baro kita gi marksheet baro gi baron kam marksheet address proof experience certificate any other document kad ba fidon phabra ba yang tu ki original jong bi original rengkat bar ka self attested mar ba submit ya ka application form maka interview la phimra kita phinom yo note ed will given the decision of the result of the interview shall be final. The selected candidate against each post will be recommended to the state authority for approval, after which will be declared and uploaded in the website. Te tangki ne higi jing batai, tang ada batai bah kan mau ki bako apply nam ta ka post pion receptionist bata office assistant clerk phap siu shua kata ka demand draft ladap siu kata ka demand draft bisa lej ha ka phra tarik bat ka khandai tarik nam ta ka interview. Te tangki ne higi jing betip publish one.